February is Heart Health Month, and to keep your ticker in tip-top shape, we at Fareway have created some delicious new recipes for you to try. I'm Caitlyn, a registered dietitian with Fareway, and here is my favorite heart-healthy recipe, blackened salmon with a cool and creamy avocado salsa. Dice avocado, cucumber, red onion, and jalapeno. Squeeze in the juice from 1 lime and set this aside while you mix up your spices for the Cajun seasoning and sprinkle over your salmon fillets. By making your own spice mixture, you can control the amount of sodium, a very important piece of heart health. Heat up your skillet and cook your salmon for about 2 minutes on each side. The salmon and avocado are both loaded with heart-healthy fats. Serve alongside some wild rice for a delicious heart-healthy meal. For more heart-healthy recipes, visit fareway.com.